Good evening, teacher and peers. This is my presentation about the task 1. My name is Germán Darío Caicedo Restrepo. I'm 41 years old. I live in Medellin. I'm coursing sixth semester in English Bachelor as a Foreign Language. My email address, you can see gdcaicedor@unadvirtual.edu.co, and my WhatsApp number is 310 40 50 884. Yes. Speaking about my expectations in this course. One moment, presentation. Okay. My expectations. Initially, I want to understand clearly what are the topics to work in this area and learn a lot about these topics, because if I don't know about what I'm working, I can't do it so good. Then I have to know how to work with different kinds of pupils or students for specific purposes, because it's not the same work teaching English for medics, doctors, or for children, or maybe mechanics or engineers. It's not the same. Then I have to know how work with each kind of specific group of people. Yes. And finally, I want know new partners and a new teacher and share a lot of knowledge and learn a lot about you. The first question is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? Okay. I want learn methods and techniques to teach in different contexts with specific academic or professional objectives. This is the most important to me, because if I want to be a good teacher, I need to learn how to teach. Okay? Good. Another question is, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competencies? I can improve my teaching competencies getting tools to work in different learning and professional environments. Yes, this course is for that. I guess, for get sufficient tools to work in different environments. Besides, improving my future performance as an English teacher, how I say. Another question is, according to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? Okay, I make a list of the topics. Say, variables for design and ESP course, needs analysis, course designs, syllabus design, and evaluation. I think that these are the core of the course, because the most important is know what I need to see and pay attention. What need analysis about these topics. After this analysis, you can design the course and syllabus, and finally make a good evaluation to improve, to analyze the material, to analyze the course on fun, and analyze the results in the learners. Another question is, the last question, according to the course contents, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? Okay, my learning English experience is a little messy, with lack of order or constant orientation, because I'm learning English basically by myself, watching videos and studying by myself. In this moment, in the university, with the courses of English, I am learning a lot and practice something, but it's not. I don't have many opportunities to chat face to face with a native English speaker. Then in this way is so difficult to learn a good process, to get out a good process of learning experience. And will really, I think the virtual environment is not the perfect. I can do it, but it's most difficult to face learning to another language. Another question is, have you been enrolled in an ESP course in the past? If so, which one? What did you like or did not like about it? As you can see, really not. I don't make a course about this topic before, and maybe some topics a little similar, but no exactly about this topic. Okay, this is all for my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.